think Jake's gonna have the lasagna and meat sauce. I'm gonna do the spicy gumbo. I got some bread flour and yeast mixed together. I'm gonna make some bread.
Oh.
Look at this go. Did that get it?
Like clean water.
Okay. All right. Then I'm gonna... There we go. Looks like the tide's starting to go down. We're gonna start getting our second low tide here in a couple hours. Let me put your coat on yet? I think it's time to cook up this clam.
Oh yeah, that one.
These clams are really easy to shell.
Then crack this out. I want it being whole.
I'm gonna season my clam with a little pepper. Now I'm gonna roll them in a little pancake batter. Take a little oil. There we go.
It's good, right?
I am definitely okay catching some more of those. Jake, do you like your lasagna?
Uh-huh. Did you know sometimes I...
Ooh, hot, 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 hot. Oh. Ah, we're gonna have some fresh bread with my gumbo here. I'll tell you what, these dehydrated meals are a whole lot more tolerable when you have fresh bread to go with it. Yeah, that makes a difference.